Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Kanoa coming at you live with a new CRM um, video for your viewing pleasure. Let's get right into it here. So we're going to go over the creating custom pieces for you to send out to your clientele in the greenhouse. And it's really simple. It's easy. You don't need another program. In the past, I sent out market guides, and some people are a publisher and they can't edit it. So this way, you can just go into the greenhouse, edit it, and be done. Send it out without any special things, software that you have to buy. It's all provided for you in the greenhouse. So this is the example I'm going to use. This is the market guide that I'm going to send it out to you, just newly designed. It has the month over month changes here on the left, and the year to date, the month over month numbers here. The sold inventory, the amount of properties sold, and the price. And you can see the fluctuations there. So this is the one graph. We've also added the mortgage rates for buyers, so they can see what is going on in the world of mortgage rates. This is provided by Bankers Preferred, and down here it has a little disclaimer what the rates are based on. So if you notice, there's going to be two boxes here. There's two blank spaces. That is a text for you to add, and we're going to do that in the Greenhouse editor. So I'm going to leave those blank. This first part right here is for your interpretation of the market, of what it's doing. You can use your expertise in this field. And then this is your personal message to your clients. You can say, call me now. You can say, find out the value of your home today. And then have a little blurb about your expertise in the market. You can put whatever you want here, and this is just for you. Down here is a blank space. You can put your picture, you can put your information, your contact information. The greenhouse sends it out as a footer. It pulls it from the data stored in the greenhouse, the picture and your contact information, so you don't have to put it here. You can if you want, if you like the way it looks. It's completely up to you. So let's upload this into the greenhouse, and I'll show you how to edit it. So I'm just going to save this first of all as a picture. You save as JPEG, PNG. I like PNG in this case. Some of them have various degrees of compression. Some of them have larger file sizes, which will be better, higher resolution. So I'm just going to do PNG for right now. I'll save it to my desktop, see what it looks like. Open it up. There it is, and it looks fine. So now let's go to the greenhouse. So this is your login screen. This is what happens when you first log into the greenhouse. So you're just going to go to My Contact Manager, and here's your Digital Marketing Center. So we're going to have marketing materials here. I'm going to create something new based on Core BHGRE. See what I want. So you see here they have different flyers. This is like door hangers. It's really like long. They have postcard size things. They have e-greetings that are kind of postcard sizes. These are more letter, which is what mine is based on. This is 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to want to choose something that fits. So I'm going to try this one. And we're going to create and edit it. Start editing. So this is text here. You can completely change the text if you want. Create something different. Instead of being assertive in sales, you can write your own thing. Admin, you can copy and paste letters to add to campaigns if you want here. Just copy and paste it. Save as your whatever you want to call it. But right now I'm going to go over how to create that marketing piece, the market guide here. So all of these you can get rid of. I don't want this. I don't want this either. So just click on it. You'll see it kind of attached to these boxes over here, so you know what the name of it is. This is the disclaimer box. You just click on that. I don't want it. Click on this big X here to remove it. Same with these images. I don't want that either. I want to save this contact information with my name. I'm gonna move it down here, and it's my office information here. I don't know what this phone 3 is, so I'm just going to get rid of it. All right, move this up if I want. So that's fine. I don't want this banner here either. So the only thing that you can't get rid of is this little box here. That just shows you the framework, how big you have to work with. So we're just going to leave that. Now if you go up here to this big green plus sign, you want to add something to this. You can add images. You can add a text box, a Bing map. You can link a video to, on this, so that when you send it out via email, they can click on it, and they can take them to YouTube or whatever video you have. These are shapes that you can add to your little thing here too. So right now I'm going to add an image because that's what I saved this marketing report as. I saved a new micro report, and I've also uploaded it here. So these are all the things that I've uploaded, and you can store it in different folders. And this is your image library. They also have stock images for you to peruse through. Birds. There's a chihuahua, a bunny for Easter, and you just click on it and it'll populate right there. There's the bunny. But I wanted something else. So if you want to upload it, you just click on Browse right here, and it'll pull up a screen for you to browse through your computer to find that image. There it goes. So you can find it, click on it, open it, and it'll pop up right here. And all you have to do is click on it. And there it is. It changed it to that picture that I uploaded. So here it is. I'm just going to resize it to fill up the entire screen. I like to just anchor it in the corner, pull it out. Okay, so there it is. And you notice that my text that I had down here is now missing because this is on a layer system. So right now this layer is on the very top of everything. I'm going to layer it down, and you'll see these things appearing here. And I'll just move these down to where I want them. And you can play around with it, get it perfect. Now I notice my picture is missing, so I'm going to add that as well. So add an image, go down, here's a picture of Steve that I uploaded. Click on that, actually. Bring it down here, resize it. And that's where I want it to be. Let's see, so there's this text box here, let me see. This is probably where my picture was supposed to go. I don't want that, so I'm going to layer this up over it. There we go. So here we have it. It looks pretty good. We just need our text box now. So I'm going to add a text box. Pull it down here. This goes to about right there. That's where it's supposed to go. I'm going to add another one. And kind of line it up with everything here. I don't want it to go that far, so it's going to go right there. So that looks good. You can write whatever you want here, like I said, your market interpretation. And then this, I want it to be white. So right now it's black. You can go up here to the text editing menu. This is your fonts, font size. I'm gonna leave it at 8 because it matches everything. Bold, italic, whatever you want. Highlighted. This is the font color, and I just want to do white. So there it is. It looks pretty good. Once you're done editing everything and you have it complete, just go to Save As, name it whatever you like, and it'll save it to your folder on your greenhouse. So I'm just going to exit this because I have one saved already. Let's go to My Saved Pieces. Core Biashiri, that's where we we had it before. That's where we pulled this thing from. This is my new market report that I have, and I can preview it. There it is. Looks good. So this is my footer. It normally has a little picture, but I don't have a picture uploaded right now. But I like the way that looks. So I can edit it again. I can email it out to one person or a group that I've created, post to my website, add to our campaign, or delete it. Post to website just means it's going to generate a little piece of code that you can add to your website, and that's going to have this button, this or this, depending on what you choose. I like this button here because it looks more legitimate. It's not like you're going to download some virus or something like that. So just click on this, generate, and wait for it to produce your code. There it is. So you can copy and paste this into eAgents on your website. It's getting a little bit more complicated, so you can shoot me an email if you need help, or give me a call. It's Kanoa, K-A-N-O-A, at gobhg.com, and I can walk you through it. So let's go back. So now that I have this set up here, I am good. I do not have to go through that whole process again on the next month. This is for February, so say March data comes out and I want to add it. I will have a picture, a photo in my Dropbox that you can upload here, and all you have to do is change the background photo and maybe some text if you want. So let's go over that. So you have this, you already sent that out to everybody. You want to do March, click on it and edit. So here it is. So I can click here and I can edit the text, change it a little bit. I recommend doing that so that you don't have a same thing going over and over to your clients. Change it up a little bit. And this is for February, so we want March. I'm just going to click on it, make sure it's selected. This is my personal image, and then replace the image. Again, I'll have the picture available for you, so all you have to do is browse your computer wherever you saved it and upload it. And let's say it's this one, and click on it, and it'll change to that new picture. And it'll keep the same size, the same proportions, the same ratios, and keep all your text and everything here intact, so you don't have to do anything else. All you have to do is change that image and maybe a little bit of text, and you are done. Just save it, save it as something different, so you know it, maybe March 2014, and you're good to go. So there's your new market guide. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go over adding something to the campaign. We're going to add this new market report to a campaign that we just created. So this is our custom piece, and these are all of the things that we can do to it. But if we go to our campaigns here, we have basic and advanced, and we want to go to advanced because we want to add something to a campaign. Let's say it's you think it's pretty good, but you want to have some other element in there and personalize it. You can do that. So let's go to consumer campaigns, buying a home campaign. So here's all of the flyers that it sends out, and you can see what it looks like here by clicking on it. We'll preview it. Take forever, but it'll get there. Okay, perfect. So your photo will be here, and it'll show you, pulls all this information for you, and pulls your name in there. So choosing the community that's right for you. Yeah, you can preview any of these. Let's say I want to add that market report in there too, so people know about the market in the area they want to buy in. I picked this one. This is buying a home campaign, and let's click on next step. So this shows all of the elements in your campaign. I want to go and add, you can add materials, you can start over, add something new. You can go to your saved pieces and add something that you've saved, or you can add an activity like a phone call, meeting, a note to do, or an important date. I want to add the market report that we just did. So I'm going to click on it right here, and it's going to have add to campaign. And there it is, new market report. Now sometimes you'll see an exclamation point in the message saying you must edit this before sending it out. So that means you have to personalize it. You have to go into it. Here you can click on this one. You can edit it, whatever one it says, or you can edit it from here. Create, edit, and then save it when you're done. And it'll take you right back here so you don't have to start over. Let's go to the next step. That market report is there. Let's say I want it to be number 1 on the list. So you can see here we have an order that it sends it out, and then we have a day interval. So 7 days after the previous element. So on the first day, it's going to send this out 7 days. Every 7 days, it's going to send a new thing out. Then this is going to be on 30 days. I can change it to 7. Change this to, I want that to go out first, and then update delivery order. Since it's first, let's do 1 day. So as you can see here, it jumped to number 1 in the order, and it's an email. And send that out. So that looks good. So you can do either intervals or you can do dates. I'm going to click on next step here. Add your groups. I recommend having groups so you can send it to multiple clients all at once without having to search through your list and try to find them all. But you can if you want to. If you want to send it to one person, I want to send it to, look at their last name. I want to send it to Coco. Let's add this. All right. It wants you to check that you've previewed all elements and click on Add Context Campaign. So there he is. I'm going to save it. And there's my campaign. I only have 1 contact in there because that's that guy that I added. If you go here, you can add and remove contacts, manage delivery options, change the composite, rename it, duplicate it, delete it if you're done with it. But that will send that market report out to everybody. Or you can just send it out in a general email. You do not have to add it to a campaign. But this is just how you add your custom pieces to a campaign, send it out. Or you can create your brand new campaign and put all custom pieces in there, or just pull some of the pieces that they have in there, mix and match, do whatever you like in here, whatever suits your needs. All right, so that is a quick overview about how to make custom pieces in the greenhouse. If you have any questions, give me a call or an email. My email is Kanoa, K-A-N-O-A, at gobhg.com, and I am available anytime to kind of go over this with you. All right, so we'll see you next time on a series of instructional videos. Bye.